So guys, I made this sorbet. I'll just show you how well I do. So this is for Emmanuel.
Hindi yan ang kailangan. Sa'yo pala yung nandito.
This is just ice cream.
Yes.
Look at that. Huh?
Yes.
I will make it round.
Yellow sa'yo.
Shoot.
Shoot. Gusto ko yan ice cream eh.
This is for Emmanuel. It's a sorbet because it's
Hindi mango sa'yo,
It's a
diba?
fruit.
Mango sa akin? Oo, bawal sa'yo yan.
may mango. Alam nila na.
Mango,
Ayan na. Ice sorbet na. Sorbet. Ang tawag sa ice cream yung na fruits. Wala kasing gatas.
Mango. Mango na lang sa akin. Mami, mango na.
Thank you.